All right, in number 2 here, or 9, sorry. Why is it not working? All right, technical difficulties. All right, there we go. So 2 weather observation stations are 7 miles apart. A weather balloon is located in between the 2 stations. From station 1, the angle of elevation to the weather balloon is 33 degrees. From station 2, the angle of elevation is 52 degrees. Find the altitude of the balloon to the nearest tenth of a mile. So let's draw this out. So they're 7 miles apart. So station 1, we'll call this S1 here. And here's a weather balloon. So the angle of elevation, always formed with the horizontal line, is going to be 33 degrees. And they're 7 miles apart. So we'll call this whole thing 7 here. Okay, here's station 2. And from that other one, the angle of elevation is 52 degrees. Okay, so we want to know, find the altitude to the nearest tenth of a mile. We want to find that right there. So what we could do is call this x, and then this will be 7 minus x, because these 2 portions here, so this portion here is x, and this other portion is going to be 7 minus x. And then we're looking for, we'll call this y. So what you could do is the tangent of 33 is equal to y over x, and then the tangent of 52 is equal to y over 7 minus x. Then you can either do substitution or just type that in right there to our T-Inspire, and we can solve the system. So let's see, I gotta pull up my T-Inspire. So if I just do a new calculator here, no, add calculator. So we're gonna do menu, algebra, solve systems of equations. We got x and y that we're looking for. So we're going to do the tan of 33 degrees is equal to y over x. And then the tan of 52 degrees, right? You can make sure you're in degrees by putting the arrow over the little gear here. And you get 52. That equals y. Yeah, exactly. Make sure it's on radians. Y divided by parentheses 7 minus x. All right, and we're going to hit Control Enter, because if we don't, it's going to give us like an exact answer. We can approximate on this one. All right, we get y, or x is 4, and y is 3. And in our picture, y was the altitude. So that weather balloon is about 3.01 miles above the ground. Makes sense. Because the question asked, like, what was the altitude of the balloon? So it was like, how high was it off the ground? So it was that vertical line in our picture earlier.